thank you for coming here on such a short notice. And I would like to say a few words before I offer the mic to our beloved leader Vijay Ramphal. I have always said that Thansa is our main motive. ग्रेटर पीपलैंड हमारा मेन मकसद है। ये एक मूवमेंट है। इस मूवमेंट में कोई व्यक्ति बड़ा नहीं है। ये मूवमेंट एक ग्रेटर पीपलैंड के लिए है, हमारे इंडिजिनस लोगों के लिए है। और जब तक ये मूवमेंट रहेगा और पॉलिटिक्स कम रहेगा, पार्टी कम रहेगा, हमारा मकसद पूरा होगा। दैट्स आवर एम। फ्रॉम डे वन मैंने थानसा यूनिटी एकता के बारे में बात किया है। मैंने कहा है पुइला जाति उलो पार्टी या पुइला जाति उलोबो जाति, मतलब कि पार्टी को आप पीछे रखिए और लोगों का इंटरेस्ट आप सामने रखिए। मैंने पहले भी बहुत अपील किया था और आज आई वुड लाइक टू ऑफर द स्टेज, क्योंकि आज आपको शायद बहुत यंग जर्नलिस्ट को मालूम नहीं होगा, लेकिन आज फाउंडेशन डे है फॉर TUJS। और आज ऑन दिस हिस्टोरिकल डे विच इज द फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ TUJS, मैं चाहता हूं कि विजय रामफल जी, जगदीश वर्मा, शिवचरण, हमारे उमाशंकर, हमारे सीनियर लीडर्स यहाँ में हैं, INPT से जो भी हैं, उनको एक फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट करना है। और उसके बाद इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर दैट along with all the leaders. और one last point I would like to add before Vijay Babu speaks, I have a major announcement. आज से तिपरा मोथा, फिर से प्लीज रीड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, तिपरा मोथा का प्रेसिडेंट अध्यक्ष विजय कुमार रामफल होगा। दिस इज अ फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट और ये मेरा हम लोग का पॉइंट है। आई एम फॉर्मली अनाउंसिंग विजय कुमार रामफल एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ तिपरा मोथा। नाउ आई ऑफर द माइक टू द ऑनरेबल विजय बाबू।
Thank you. For the opportunity, I'm about to shock because of a joy. I recall my almost 55 years of career in social works. I confess I am the smallest person, but I am the happiest to remain alive till today. Moreover, I am happy to be an associate co-workers with Honorable Maharaj Pradut Kishore ji, and I agree and I confess that the Tripura is turning to new phase. It takes some more time, but I believe so many people are coming under the vision of our Maharaj Pradut Kishore ji. Today I am happy, unworthily, inefficiently, to become president of Tripura Motha. I would have been happiest if I could have render the presidential responsibility. So I accept it in the interest of our movement, in the interest of our people of Tripura, irrespective of languages, irrespective of faith, irrespective of our likeness. So Today, as Maharaj has spoken, historical foundation day of TUSS, which was held at Kanta Kobrapara on 10th and 11th of June 1967. So that time I was very young, of the age of 24, 25, something like that. And we fought and we attained also. Today, our next generation have come with a new vision, and I believe they will succeed. As elder, I have every spirit of blessing to people, those who are honestly fighting. And the fight should be very democratic fight. The fight should be fairness, and it should be united. Today I have seen some men, women, those who were very young, and I've seen them following us in their younger age. They have come back today, especially from the women. Madam Moniha, and other days also I have seen Madam Sopna and others who joined the promoter. I thank them very much from the core of my heart, and all of you today, to declare our newness, new dream, new vision, to attain our greater triple line. We are analyzing, we are talking about the greater triple line. It should be attained, and we are trying to step on to meet the authorities at the central government so that they can sympathize our cause. And they should know that we cannot give up. When I started fighting from 1966, 1967, we fought and we attained, we succeeded. That's why today we have the existence of ABC. Who fought for that? We fought today for the greater triple alliance. We are the same fighter. We have so many promising younger people under the stage of our beloved Maharaj. And everybody is coming and accepting their responsibility. Today, sitting here, I may be the happiest person, and my every blessing will be upon them. And my regards to the media, so that you can share our joy. Thus, to come back to our foundation day of Tuesdays, the same spirit we are carrying today. Because if I want to become newest man without vision, I will attain nothing. I will inflict the interest of the people. That should not be the reason, that should not be the way of launching movement. We have to stand beside the poorest man, beside richest man. Many people are feeling today they have no place in the society. They have no stand in the party, be it national, be it regional. But we open our heart for everybody. I once again thank you all, especially those who have come today from different organizations. They have come and committed themselves. And we regard them. We want to hand over our responsibility on the younger people, especially our brother Maharaj for Tipti, who has the best exposure in the state, and under his leadership and honestness, people have come forward and allow the street promoter to have ADC operating, ADC government, party, and we hope the state government, every other organization will cooperate us so that we can have corruption-free administration. This is my plea and my appeal once again. I remember for the elders in different places in the state. They are gathering together today. Be 10 people, 25 people, be 20 people. I have been receiving information from them just to commemorate and remember our hugest birthday, the 11th of June, in different places. Therefore, today, the great heart of Maharaj Prabhuji to realize and acknowledge, to say yes to our request, to reveal the important days of 11th of June, which was birthday of our kings. And we still do carry the spirit, we do carry still the idea of fighting fearlessly, fighting ceaselessly to attain and to achieve it. We fought that time. I fought almost 55 years and we have succeeded. Today my advice to the leaders, those who are coming up, they must say in future that they have succeeded, that they have achieved greater people. So this is what, as an elder, I want to convey my hope, I want to convey my desire and heartfelt love for each and every one of you today. Thank you.